Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to start the process of signing up for a rotating collection of DVDs. In the state of Connecticut, we have something called the Connecticut Library Consortium, and their website is ctlibrarians.org. You can see it auto-filled there on my computer. So we go to the Connecticut Library Consortium website, and then we go to Save. This tutorial is suitable for public library directors or people who are managing collections in public libraries. So we're not even going to click, but we are going to hover over public libraries and then hover over books and non-print and then click that. Then we want to go down this list to CLC's Cooperative Collections, also known as Media Circuits. Click on that. There's a little overview here, and when we click Cooperative Collection FAQ, we find out a little bit more. And it says signups and renewals take place in the spring. And then we can scroll down and see that we need to email one of the coordinators. And if your library is located in the eastern part of the state, you contact me. Or if your library is located in the western part of the state, you contact Laura. If you're not sure which region your library is in, you can just pick someone to email and we will let you know.